Hey guys, and welcome back to We Plugin. In this video, we'll talk about markers filter by viewport on Google Maps. Now let's get started. First, just open up your WordPress admin panel and hover your mouse to We Plugin and click on Plugin List. Now here, you have to search for markers filter by viewport on Google Maps. And now install this plugin, just hit download. Now hit activate. Now our plugin is installed. Now just hover your mouse to WP Maps Pro. Now click on Manage Maps. Now click on this pen icon. Now scroll to bottom. Now here you will find Filters Maps listing by viewport on Google Maps. Now enable this viewport filters. Now just hit save. Now first let me show you how Maps page looks like. So if I zoom in a certain location and in that certain location, if there is only two marked places, but listing will still show all the locations. It's hard to explain. But let me refresh the page so you'll have better understanding. Now, if I zoom in a certain location and in that certain location, if there is only two marked places, then in listing location, only those two locations will be displayed. It means in location listing, only those places will be displayed that are visible in map. And that's all, folks. That is all there is to know. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also find it useful. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more.